In this video, I will be talking about permutation and combination. I'll give some examples and that will help you clear these concepts. So, for finding the permutations, you can use this formula NPR, and for finding the combinations, you can use this formula NCR. When we will look at the examples, then you will understand how to use these formulas. But before that, it is important to understand the difference between permutation and combination. So when the order matters, then we have to consider the permutation. When the order doesn't matter, then we have to consider the combinations. Basically, NCR formula. So let us take example, then it will be more easy to understand. Let us say you have three books A, B, C, and you want to arrange them. A, B, C. These are the three books that you want to arrange in the shelf. So how you can arrange it? Basically, you can arrange it like this: A, B, C, or A, C, B, or B, A, C, or B, C, A, or C, A, B, or C, B, A. These are some of the permutations in which you can arrange these books. So if when you have to arrange something, then you have to use this permutation formula, okay, NPR. So you can see here how many ways in which you can arrange these books. 6. And to calculate this, you can use this NPR formula, which says n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. So in this case, we have to arrange three books. So n is 3. So 3 factorial is 3 into 2 divided by n minus r. In this case, r is also 3 because we have to select 3 books out of 3 books. So n is 3, r is 3, so it will be 0 factorial. That means the answer is 6. And let us look at a second example. Here we have to select, like, arrange 3 books out of 7. So you are given 7 books, say A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Out of that, you have to arrange 3 books. So the possibilities or the permutations will be much higher than in the previous example because we can select 3 books out of 7 given. So instead of calculating this manually, you can directly use this formula NPR, which says n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Here n is 7, right? Because we have to select the books from the 7 books. And here 7 minus, here r is 3. So 7 minus 3 factorial, which will be 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial divided by 7 minus 3 factorial is 4 factorial. So 4 factorial, 4 factorial will cancel out. And what we will get here is 7 into 30, which is 210 ways. So you can easily see that in the second example, there are more ways in which we can arrange these books. And it is logical as well because there are 7 books out of which we can select any 3. And then we don't have to just select 3 books. After selecting again, we have to arrange them as well. And that's why number of ways in which we can do this is 210. So just remember this rule: whenever you have to arrange something, you will have to use this NPR formula. Now let us look at this combination formula NCR, in which scenarios we have to use this. So just imagine that you have to select a captain from the team of 11 players. So when you have to form a committee or if you have to select some person, then you can use the combination formula, which is NCR, which is basically n factorial divided by n minus r factorial and r factorial. So if you want to select the captain from the 11 players, here n is 11 and r is 1, so that will be 11 factorial divided by 11 minus 1, that is 10 factorial, into r factorial, that is 1 factorial. So it will be 11 ways in which we can select the captain, which is logical because there are 11 players, so you can select one player out of 11. So there are 11 ways. Then select the captain and vice captain. Let us see how to select captain and vice captain as well. In this case, the formula will be again NCR, right? So it will be, let us say, captain will be selected from the 11 players, and formula for that is 11C1. And here we have to multiply this. So now after selecting the captain, how many players are remaining? 10. So out of 10 players, we have to select vice captain. So here R is 1. So if we solve this one, it will be 11 factorial divided by 11 minus 1, that is 10 factorial into 10 factorial divided by 10 minus 1, 9 factorial. And that will be 11 into 10 factorial divided by 10 factorial, 10 factorial into, sorry, 10 into 9 factorial, and factorial. So 9 factorial cancel out, 10 factorial cancel out. And the answer that we will get is 110 ways in which we can select captain and vice captain. So if whenever there is and, remember that you have to do multiplication. So the formula is same NCR, but the thing is that here you have to multiply these two combinations. Thanks for watching.